Hello. Welcome to How to Power on Dell Computer from Smartphone. On the phone you only need one touch to power on the computer remotely. The method is quite simple, you just follow these steps. You power on the Dell computer, on the keyboard you press the F2 key continuously. Press the F2 key continuously to access the BIOS. Complete BIOS access. In the BIOS you go to the item named Power. By default the computer operates in deep sleep mode, which is power saving mode. You disable this feature. To power on the computer remotely you enable the Wake-on-LAN feature. This feature only works when you disable the deep sleep feature. After completing you save the changes and exit. On Windows operating system you follow these steps. You disable Fast Startup. Control Panel. Power Options. Choose what the power button do. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn off Fast Startup. Save changes. You allow other devices to power on the computer over the network. In the box search you enter PA-CPL. Right-click your Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Configure. Power Management. Check the boxes for allow this device to wake the computer and only allow the magic packet to wake the computer. Save changes. The phone identifies the target computer using the MAC address. So you open the command window and find the MAC address of the computer. ipconfig. This is the MAC address of this Dell computer. On the phone you power on the computer using the application. You install an application called Wake-on-LAN on your phone. Add a new computer. Add a new manually. MAC address. Enter the physical address of the computer found in the previous step into this box. The application asks for a device name. Save. Above are the steps to power on the Dell computer from the phone. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Now I start powering on the computer from the phone.